Do you need a hand with Trello and need to get started? This is exactly the video series for you. Trello. Most people have heard of it. Some may have used it. A lot of people haven't, never used it. And that's exactly what this video is for. Some people use it for work, some people use it at home. I use it for work in my daily workflow, and it's fantastic. I swear by it. If you're brand new to Trello, this video series will get you up and running in a matter of minutes. So let's get into it. Fog Creek Software developed Trello about 10 years ago when they wanted to have a web-based Kanban style of productivity system that was easy to use. So Kanban style, if you're not familiar with the term, basically takes your tasks and put them into cards. Cards then go on a board and they are split up between columns of what the status of the card is. So it could be not done, done, doing, pipeline, that sort of thing. It works really well in teams. I work by myself and I absolutely love it. But it also gives me that scope to grow if ever I need to get someone else to help me out. So what I like about Trello is that it offers an excellent overview of what needs to be done, what's currently being worked on, and what's completed. So it gives you a great sort of full pipeline type view, which is really, really handy. So that's enough about what Trello is. You want to learn Trello? Let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Trello.com. So head over there to get started. Now, if you've already created your account, you can simply go log in the top right, or if you've already logged in and saved those login details, it will automatically appear. You'll go directly to the board to your account. If you haven't, you can click on sign up. And it's just a matter of going through and entering your details. So putting your email in, they'll check to see if you've actually got an account already. If you don't, then you need to put in your name, full name, and your email address and password. And then they will send you an email, which you then can approve to say, yes, that's my email. Okay, so here we are in our Trello dashboard. So unless you've created boards in the past, yours will be empty like mine. So there's a lot to, not a huge amount to take in, but there's a lot of stuff here that of terminology that you're probably not going to understand. So we're going to just focus on our creating a new board section here. Okay, so if we go create new board, and we're going to give it something simple like work board. Okay, so maybe that's our business that we're running, how we want to run. We're going to leave it as private. Again, we'll go into that later. And straight away we can pick a background. So I'm just going to, for the simplicity of the video, just pick a blue color. So we can have all nice kind of photos and things, and there's plenty of options to pick from, but we're going to go blue just so it's easier for everyone to see. So create the board, and here you are taken to your Trello board. So it's important to remember, if you've got a personal account, you've got unlimited Trello board creation. So you can have unlimited boards, you can have unlimited cards, unlimited lists on each board. So let's go in to talk about how we would create a list or a card. Okay, so I mentioned at the start of the video that our Trello board consists of a board, and then of lists, and then of cards inside the list. Okay, so you can see here we've got a really simple setup of 3 statuses of a card. We've got to do, doing, and done. So we can add more to these, of course. We might have one here that we call inbox, for example. Okay, if I just type in inbox and hit return, it's going to create that for me. I don't want to create another one. But what's nice about these is, and the whole interface is, that you can drag and drop things. So I will want the inbox to be at the very beginning. So I want to click and just drag that straight over. See how everything just clicks over and moves for us? That's where I want my inbox to be. So it's a good spot to have all your incoming work or any thoughts and ideas of stuff that you want to do. That can all go straight into the inbox. So we've got an inbox. We've got several other statuses here. I want to now create a card. Okay, so let's say my very first task that I have to do is create a new website. Okay, so I'm going to click on add card, and we want a title for the card. So let's call it exactly that, create new website. And now if I hit return, it's going to say, would you like to create another card? So this is a nice way to quickly do a quick brain dump of all the things you need to do. So let's do that now. So create a new website, set up social media, return, see new card again, and then I'm going to have some personal stuff here. Remember to buy flowers for Mother's Day, return, and book holiday, and return. Now I don't want that last one, so I'm going to cancel. And what we're going to do over here on the right, we're just going to hit that cross to get rid of our menu. We don't want to look at that at the moment. So here we go. We've got the basic setup of the board. We've got our lists that show the different statuses for the cards. And then we've also got our list of cards that are sitting in our inbox, which we could have quite easily added to any of these as we went if it's already got a current status, but we've kept it nice and simple by putting it all into the inbox so we can get started on doing the work.